Kilo Quebec 4 Zulu India Papa and US 6248 and US 0686. This is a twofer. Again, I'm in Big South Fork, and then the second park is Honey Creek, which is an overlook, and it's also a loop along the Sheltoe Trace. I just spotted on 14322, so I'm going to call again real quick. CQ POTA, this is Kilo Quebec 4 Zulu India Papa calling CQ and US 0686. CQ POTA, this is Kilo Quebec 4 Zulu India Papa calling CQ and US 0686. Today is March 7th, it's a Saturday. CQ POTA, this is Kilo Quebec 4 Zulu India Papa calling CQ and US 0686.
Kilo 0 Sierra India Delta park to park.
Kilo 0 Sierra India Delta park to park, go ahead.
Good morning, 5959 into US 2086 2086.
Roger, copy the 59 in US 2086. Yeah, I got you about a 59 in both my parks. US 6248 and US 0686 QSO.
I totally missed that one. 6248 and 0686.
You got the 0686 correct, but the other one is US 6248 QSO.
6248 and 0686.
Roger, and you're coming up as Sydney in New York. Is it QSO?
Yep, Sydney. This is Sydney. Roger.
Hey, thanks for hunting in 73.
73.
CQ POTA, this is Kilo Quebec 4 Zulu India Papa on CQ and US 6248.
Kilo 5 Kilo Alpha Zulu park to park.
Roger, the park to park, Kilo 5 Kilo Alpha Zulu. Go ahead.
UI 5757 to my park, US 1880 Foxtrot Lima, USL.
Roger, got the park, let me just confirm it, US 1880 in Florida, and I got you about a 5-3 in both my parks, over.
Roger, thanks for the 5-3. Have a great activation, 73.
Hey, Roger, and what was my report, over?
A 57.
Okay, Roger, copy the 57. Thanks for hunting, 73. CQ POTA, this is Kilo Quebec 4 Zulu India Papa calling CQ and US 0686.
Whiskey 4 Oscar Tango.
Whiskey 4 Oscar Tango, come back.
Whiskey 4 Oscar Tango. In Florida, you are 5-9 into Pelican Island National Wildlife. We are running a special event station. QSL?
Roger, QSO. I got you about a 5-9 in both my parks. US 6248 and US 0686 QSO.
QSL, thank you.
Hey, thanks for hunting, 73.
73. Michael Lima Bravo.
I got the Michael Lima Bravo. Can you give me the first part of it, over?
Kilo Charlie 2, Michael Lima Bravo.
Roger, I copy Kilo Charlie 2, Mike Lima Bravo. Got you about a 5-3 in the park, over.
5-8 in the Central New York. May yourself a great day there, 7-3.
Hey, Roger, you came up to about a 5-7. Roger, I copy the 5-8. Thanks for hunting, 73.
7-3.
CQ POTA, this is Kilo Quebec 4 Zulu India Papa calling CQ and US 0686.
Park to park.
Roger, park to park, go ahead.
Kilo 4 Golf Delta Sierra, I have you a 5-9 in the US 6309er. You're bouncing between 5-5 and 5-8.
Okay, Roger, I'll copy. Hey, thanks for hunting, 73.
Have a great activation, 73.
November 4 Echo Whiskey Hotel.
November 4 Echo Whiskey Hotel. Go ahead.
Yes, you were about a 5-8 into Orlando, Florida. QSL?
Roger, QSO, I got you about a 5-5. 5-5 in both my parks. Do you got them over?
Sounds good. Thank you much for being out, and have a good day. 7-3.
Hey, thanks for hunting. 73.
CQ POTA, CQ POTA, CQ POTA. This is Kilo Quebec 4, Zulu India Papa, calling CQ in US 0686.
I think it's Kilo Quebec 4, Zulu India Papa. This is Whiskey 4, Oscar Lima Echo.
Whiskey 4 Oscar Lima Echo. Yeah, Roger, you got it right. Kilo Quebec 4 Zulu India Papa. Over.
Okay, QSL, I've got you about a 5-5 into the near Orlando, Florida. And the name here is Bruce. Bravo, Romeo, Charlie, Echo.
Roger, Roger, got the 5-5. I got two, I'm sitting in two parks. US 6248 and US 0686. QSO.
Could you give me that US number again one more time?
Yeah, Roger. The first park is 0686. 0686. Yeah, Roger, sorry about that. I'm fixing to type. I just typed it in. That second park is US 6248. Over.
US 6248, was that it?
Roger, Roger. Should come up as Honey Creek. Honey Creek, over.
Okay, QSL, got you that time. Have a good time at the park. I do pull them once in a while myself. Q4 ZIP, this is Whiskey 4 Oscar Lima Echo near Orlando, Florida.
Hey, thanks for hunting. 73. Sorry about the I appreciate your patience, and I apologize for the wait. Over. CQ POTA, CQ POTA, CQ POTA. This is Kilo Quebec 4 Zulu India Papa on CQ in US 0686.
POTA, CQ POTA, CQ POTA. This is Kilo Quebec 4, Zulu India Papa, calling CQ in US 0686.
Whiskey 2, India Golf.
Whiskey 2 India Golf. Go ahead.
Roger, Roger. 57 plus. November Yankee.
Roger, copy the 5-7. I got you about a 5-5 in the park. Do you have both my parks over?
I do. Copy the 5-5.
Hey, thanks for hunting. 73.
Yeah, 7-3. Enjoy.
CQ POTA, CQ POTA, CQ POTA. This is Kilo Quebec 4 Zulu India Papa. Calling CQ in US 6248 and US 0686.
Kilo Zulu 4, Kilo Charlie. Kilo Zulu 4, Kilo Charlie.
Back.
Kilo Zulu 4, Kilo Charlie.
Alright, so let me see if I got this right. Kilo Zulu 4 Kilo Charlie. QSO?
QSL, your 5-9 quota.
Roger, copy the 5-9. I got you about a 5-5 in both my parks. Over.
QSL, could I have your second park number, please?
Roger, first park was 0686. Second, Whiskey 4 Oscar Tango. Go ahead.
Whiskey 4 Oscar Tango, got you about a 5-8 into Sebastian Ford.
Roger, Roger, copy the 5-8. Yeah, I got you 5-8 clear both ways in both my parks. Personal call, I'll log you in. Over.
Just a personal call is Whiskey Alpha 4, Mike Quebec X-ray. Whiskey Alpha 4, Mike Quebec X-ray. Go ahead.
Roger, Roger, I got it. Copy. This is Philip and Whiskey Alpha 4 Mike Quebec X-ray. And I got you logged in. Time now, same report. Over.
Roger, Roger. Well, thank you. Nice talking to you. Nice making your acquaintance. And good doing on your activation.
Hey, thanks so much. Thanks for hunting. 73. November 1, November, Papa Quebec, QSO.
QSL, I've got you a 5-7 into Foxtrot Lima.
Roger, Roger, copy the 5-7. Hey, I got you 5-7 both ways here in both my two parks. Do you need them over?
QSL.
Okay, Roger. The first park is US 0686. Second park US 6248 QSO.
QSL 73, thank you for the park.
Hey, thank you for Hun 73.
Delta Bravo Juliet.
Whiskey 5 Delta Papa Juliet QSO.
Negative, Whiskey 5 Delta Bravo Juliet.
Roger, sorry about that. Whiskey 5 Delta Bravo Juliet. I got a David in New Mexico QSO.
Roger, on the pad in room, and I got you about a 5-5 today.
Roger, Roger, copy the 5-5. Yeah, I got your 5-5 both ways here in my two parks. US 6248 and US 0686 QSO.
Roger. Hey, have a great day out there. Thank you.
Thank you. I appreciate you, Hun 73.
Alpha Charlie 4 Romeo X-ray.
Hey, the Delta X-ray standby. I got the Alpha Charlie 4 Romeo X-ray. Got you first, over.
Roger. Alpha Charlie 4 Romeo X-ray. I have you a 5-7 into West Central Florida. The Tampa Bay area, 73.
Roger, you got stepped on, but I think I got it 5-7, and then you're in Florida, and I got your 5-7 both ways, QSO. Roger, Roger. Hey, last call station, this station's in use, this station is in use, over.
543.9. Kilo 3 Oscar Romeo Lima.
The Kilo Queen, come back. Kilo Queen, come back over.